So I've got some moldy bananas. So I'm gonna make what I always make when I've got moldy bananas. I actually only make these when I've got moldy bananas, and it is banana and chocolate muffins. They're really a banana bread recipe that I just put into to see what they do in muffin cases, and they're actually delish. So let's unwrap my favorite kitchen tool. So you're gonna want to put your mixer attachment on, and then we're gonna put all the ingredients in one by one and give it a mix. So we've got flour, caster sugar, 2 eggs, room temperature butter. Really important that it's room temperature. Teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of milk. And then your moldy bananas too. Then we're just going to mix it all together. And when it gets to the point where it looks like it's all mixed, we'll just add our chocolate chips and then gently give it another stir. You can put in as many chocolate chips as you like, depending on how chocolatey or non-chocolatey you want it. Just make sure you save some to sprinkle on the top before they go in the oven. I actually prefer putting them in the brown paper tulip cases because I feel like they're big enough for a breakfast muffin, but they didn't have any at the shop, so it's the ones it is. So I go with the theory of filling any size case 1/3 of the way, and that should be perfect for muffins. And I read that online somewhere, I can't remember where, probably Maryberry, and it's never failed. Oh sorry, not 1/3 of the way, 2/3 of the way. Then we're just gonna put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. I'm not very good on my oven timings, but I do usually go 180, 20 minutes, keep checking in the last 5 minutes. Best oven gloves in the world, Arga gloves. Nice and brown. I'm pleased with those. There's more to go. But can you see why I like the bigger cases? Because it makes so many. But luckily we've got family round tomorrow, so. Okay, we'll have to wait for them to cool down, then we'll crack one open. I'll show you how delicious they are. So open one up. I actually already tried it. So delicious, so delicious. These are my favorite muffins. So good. So good, so easy. Let me know if you make them.